Hey. Hold on. But look,
OJ
real
the
talk.
Duke man.
You gonna disrespect me like that, Tyrone? For real? Look though, nigga, you a little ass nigga. How you gonna come at me? You a turtle ass nigga. Last time I seen you was with a bitch. That was with your cat. I mean, not your cat. I mean your dog. Do you even got a dog anymore? No, cause that bitch ran away from you. I bet your cat ran away from you cause pussy don't like you. What the fuck on? Looking like your brother and shit. You always gotta cop your brother swag. Nigga, put your own shirt on. And you had Deontay's shirt on. Man, I don't even want to diss you like this, nigga, but you made me do this. The fuck wrong with you? Why would you do some shit like that? Nigga, you know you fucked yourself up, right? You had a demented afro. Bro, your afro wasn't even afro. It was curly. Looking like fucking
Jigsaw.
James Brown and shit. Go ahead and say it for me. And the don't mind that man.
Who he talking to?
Man, do not mind that nigga. But real talk, man. You gonna do that shit though? Shut your little ass up. I'da whoop your ass. But I'ma have your brother do that for you.